The inspiration for this project really is not a piece of art or an item or a place they traveled to. The inspiration for this project is their family. And that is so exciting to get to be a designer, to design a space that is that personal. And part of that design incorporated a grandkid room where the kids get to watch TV or do crafts, and opening up this space between the kitchen and the family room. Because the space is beautiful, yes, but what's more important to me and to my clients really is how the space works for them. And this space works for them.
First phase was the kitchen, downstairs bathroom, and second phase was the second floor master suite and various wood floorings and also a beautiful staircase system. So the structural reconfiguration of the kitchen started with basically removing some thin walls, clearing the space to make a more open family room connection to the kitchen. The island that you see behind me flows right on through at this point with no more barriers between. We did quite a bit upstairs, more structural upstairs. There was a solarium window above the existing shower and tub, which was quite extensive in removing the window itself. A very large glass unit required some structural beams, new roofing. There might be some conflict with certain materials that the designer wanted to use, so the designer is available to come out at a moment's notice in most cases.
The inspiration was really wanting to change from a Mediterranean style to a contemporary style. Carolyn was awesome to work with. And what I enjoyed is she involved me in the design process. She understood what I wanted, she understood the style I wanted. So when we finished the downstairs, continuing with the upstairs was not even a question.
Jude was amazing to work with. He was very engaged in the entire project. As Lisa said, we saw him almost every day. We would get recap emails from him at the end of the week, just recapping everything that happened.
I think the design for me was the funnest. In particular, there was some tile up in the master bathroom around the fireplace. It's on the master bathroom and master bedroom side. And when I ordered it, I thought it was one design, and when it came in, it was a series of 6 different designs. So I had a panic attack, and Carolyn came that evening, and we spent several hours laying out the design, and it worked out really well.
I enjoyed watching the guys work. They were craftsmen on everything that they did in the house, especially Antonio that did this wall. It was fun watching him because he would lay out the tiles and be playing like Zen music. And then as soon as he started putting the tiles up, it was a very fast pace, music that he would play, and he would get them put up. And each one of these tiles weighed about 45 pounds. So you could imagine how difficult it was for him to do this wall.
Removing the peninsula and reconfiguring the kitchen made all the difference in the world. It just keeps everybody together. You can have people watching a game on TV, people sitting at the table playing a game, the kids sitting at the counter eating and coloring. Had we decided to go with a general contractor versus Sea Pointe Construction, I think it would have been a very different experience. the design process and Jude and Carolyn working together made all the difference in the world. And after the design process, Carolyn didn't step out of the picture. She was still here. I have to give a big shout out to the actual labor, the workers. I mean, they were, because we lived here, they were extremely respectful.
Yes.
They were wonderful. I am extremely happy with the outcome of our home. I love to have people over and show it off. I couldn't be happier.
I'm extremely happy too. It's just very comfortable. If she's happy, I'm very happy. It makes my life easier, and she got exactly what she envisioned.